Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the watch band on your Lorus watch. Today we have the mesh bracelet, so this is going to be the slide type of clasp that you can actually adjust up and down in order to shorten or to widen your total circumference, so depending on the resize that you have. For this tutorial I'm going to use the spring bar removal tool. This can be found inside the basic watchmaker toolkit that I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, but you can also use a flat screwdriver if you have one that is small enough. So in my case, what I want to do is to insert the tool right here, so from this end right here, and then to lift it up. So this flap needs to go all the way up, and then you can even push it on the other side. And now I can easily adjust my clasp, so my slide clasp, up and down. At the end, what you want to do is to push it down all the way. In case you won't be able to push it down all the way with your bare hands, you can use the tool once again. So now I can use it in the opposite direction until the flap goes all the way down and it actually touches the clasp or the bracelet. And now if I try to move it, you can see that it is stuck, so everything is in place. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to adjust your slide clasp, and this tutorial can be applied to other watch brands out there as well. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section below if this video was helpful, what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. And also, in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.